Maintaining healthy arteries is crucial for preventing heart disease and stroke, two of the leading causes of death worldwide. While medications can help manage arterial issues, incorporating certain natural foods into your diet can also play a significant role in keeping your arteries clear and reducing the risk of blood clots. Here are the top 5 natural foods that can help clear arteries and prevent blood clots. 1. Salmon and other fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and prevent the formation of blood clots. Omega-3s also help lower triglyceride levels, a type of fat in the blood that can contribute to arterial plaque buildup. Aim to include at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week in your diet to reap these heart healthy benefits. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support arterial health. They are particularly rich in vitamin K, which helps prevent calcium from accumulating in arteries, a process that can lead to hardening of the arteries. Atherosclerosis. Incorporating a variety of leafy greens into your meals can significantly improve your cardiovascular health. 3. Nuts. Nuts, especially walnuts and almonds, are excellent sources of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. They contain monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol (LDL) levels and reduce the risk of blood clots. Additionally, nuts are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects arteries from damage. Snacking on a handful of nuts daily can be a simple yet effective way to support artery health. 4. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid (ALA), which has been shown to reduce inflammation and prevent blood clots. They also contain soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels and improve overall heart health. Ground flax seeds can be easily added to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt to boost your intake of these heart-healthy nutrients. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice commonly used in curry dishes, contains a compound called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin has been shown to inhibit the formation of blood clots and reduce the risk of heart disease. To incorporate turmeric into your diet, add it to soups, stews, or even a warm glass of milk. Golden milk for a heart-healthy boost. Conclusion: while no single food can completely clear arteries or prevent blood clots on its own, incorporating these natural foods into a balanced diet can significantly support arterial health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Remember, a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise, a balanced diet, and avoiding smoking is the best way to maintain optimal heart health.